To find your recovery phrase on Crypto.com, follow these steps. First, open the Crypto.com app and log in to your account using your email and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Settings menu, which is usually represented by 3 horizontal lines or a gear icon, depending on your device. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Account Security and click on it. Within the Account Security section, you will see an option that says Advanced Security or Recovery Phrase. Click on this option to proceed. You will then be prompted to enter your password to verify your identity. Enter your password and click Confirm. After verifying your password, you will be taken to a page that displays your recovery phrase. Your recovery phrase is a list of words that is used to restore your cryptocurrency wallet in case you lose access to it. It is extremely important to keep this phrase safe and secure, as anyone who has access to it can also access your funds. To view your recovery phrase, click on the Reveal button, and your phrase will be displayed on the screen. Take a moment to carefully write down each word in the correct order, and store it in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a secure note-taking app. It is highly recommended that you do not take a screenshot of your recovery phrase or store it on an unsecured device, as this can put your funds at risk. Instead, make sure to store it in a location where it can be protected from unauthorized access. Once you have written down your recovery phrase and stored it securely, you can click the Confirm button to indicate that you have saved it. This is an important step, as it helps to ensure that you have taken the necessary precautions to protect your funds. By following these steps, you can easily find and secure your recovery phrase on Crypto.com, and ensure that your cryptocurrency wallet is protected in case you need to restore it. Remember to always keep your recovery phrase safe and secure, and never share it with anyone.